important skill in improv theater is to be able to set the beginning of a scene. And you do that with somebody else. So you have to co-create that beginning. But it's very important to establish that for yourself, for your partner, and for the audience. So in this exercise, you invite two people and they start a scene, any scene, maybe inspired by a word. At any time, the facilitator can say freeze. On that moment, the two actors have to stop, and anybody else from the group can tap the shoulder of one of the actors. That person has to leave, and the new improviser has to stand on the same position. And from then on, he proposes a complete new scene on a complete new setting.
Fire.
Fire. Okay, we start the scene inspired with fire. Oh, hi.
Hi.
It's really cool. Can I join you? Oh, cool.
You want to have some sausage?
Oh, thank you. Thank you. So, are you enjoying the summer camp?
Yeah, sure thing. I just arrived yesterday and now I'm having some time to myself.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
quiet.
You came here the years before? Okay, cool.
Now I'm putting this plant here.
Oh. Nice.
Do you like gardening? Sumo wrestling competition begins!
Can we go home? He's back here. Where is William?
Good. What happened?
Oh, you're dying, Granny.
I think so.
How are you? Now we are. Yes, now you can put your hand. Yes,
Okay.
it's going very well. Where is your husband? Is she coming? Let's hope because soon you will be a family. maybe I contact Jarmo. He's a very good doctor.
The important thing is that both improvisers are able to establish who they are in the scene, where they are, and what they are doing. That is the basic, the beginning for a great story.
Yeah, thank you.
Nothing happened. Why again the psychologist? I mean, we don't have a problem together, do we?
But always when we are having some troubles, you go late to the crowd and you start to behave like you are having a heart attack.
No.
Very good.
Don't call anybody, you son. They got the phone.